Hello everyone, welcome back to Concept Branch with Ridhi. If you are new here, my name is Ridhi, and on this channel we dive into math concepts step by step. So far, we have covered the basic of exponents and power or indices, and in the last video we explored some medium level concept. Today, as I promised, I will be discussing some practice problem at the medium level and basic level as well. We shall apply what we learned in the last video and work through these questions together to build a solid understanding. So let's start with the question. First question is 3 to the power 5 times 3 squared divided with 3 to the power 4. So on the numerator, we can apply the product rule. So the first thing we can do here is apply the product rule to simplify the numerator. That is 3 to the power 5 times 3 square. So bases are same, power will be add up. So 3 to the power 5 plus 2, that is 3 to the power of 7. Okay. Second thing, what we can do, we solve the numerator now. Write together 3 to the power 7 divide with 3 to the power 4. We can apply the over here quotient of power rule. That is 3 to the power 7 minus of 4, that is your 3 of cube. Okay. Finally, we can simplify the result, that is your 3 cube. Simply we can write 3 times 3 times 3. Answer is 27. Okay. So this is the final answer. We can do it directly. When you will expert in this, you can do it directly. How can you do it directly? See, simply we can do here 3 to the power 5 plus 2 divided with 3 to the power 4, and simply we can write 7 minus 4 and 3 to the power 3, that is 27. So when you will be expert, you can do it directly. Okay, let's move to the next question. Next question is 2 to the power of minus 3 divided with the 4 square. Again, we'll solve step by step. So the first step we have is here, recognize the 4 square first. The 4 square, what we can write? The 4 we can write as a 2 square, whole to the power square is already there, right? So simply a to the power m to the power n, we can write a to the power m times n, that is 2 to the power of 4. Okay. Second thing, what we can apply here is numerator and denominator. Now on the place of 4 square, you can write 2 to the power 4. Just write it. Okay. Now the quotient rule you can apply here. So 2 to the power of minus 3 and minus 4, we can write 2 to the power minus 7, right? But we can't write negative exponent like this. We have to make it positive always. So apply the negative exponent rule. So 2 to the power of minus 7, you can write 1 over 2 to the power of 7, right? Okay. And as you know, 2 to the power 7, you can write as a 128. So the final answer will be 1 over 128. And this is your final answer. Okay. Step we can do here, we simplify the 64 to the power 1 over 3. What we can write like this? We can write the cube root of 64, correct? Cube root of 64. So cube root of 64 will be 4, correct? Second step, we can solve 16 to the power 1 over 4, right? That is the fourth root of 16. Fourth root of 16. So we can write answer as a 2. Now, according to the question, the value of 6 to the power 1 by 3 is 4 and 16 to the power 1 by 4 is 2. So multiply them, answer will be 8. Okay, let's move to the next question. Our next question is this fourth question. So here we have to express 125 as a power of 5. So the first step is to convert 125 as a power of 5, which we can write as a 5 cube. Okay. Now compare them. 5 to the power x plus 1 equals to 5 cube. So, since the base are same, set the exponents equal to each other. From here, we can understand that x plus 1 will be equal to 3. So just solve with this one. We can take -1 both sides. So x will be 2 is the final answer. Okay. So let's move to the next question. This is our next question. Over here, we can apply the power of a power rule. If you remember, I'll remind it once. A to the power m to the power n, we can write a to the power m times of n. So this is very simple question. Simply, we can write 2 to the power 4 times of 3. That is 2 to the power of 12. You can leave it like that, or either you can multiply. So answer will be 4096. This is our sixth question. Simplify the expression. So how can we simplify? Here, first of all, simplify both the terms, numerator and denominator. The first numerator is 27 to the power 1 over 3. Is the cube root of 27? So cube root of 27 is 3, right? Next. Denominator, 9 to the power 1 by 2 is a square root of 9. So we can write answer as a 3. Okay. Now divide the simplified terms simply, right? So we can write as a 3 divided with a 3, that is equal to 1 is the final answer. Okay. This is our seventh question. Here it's a complex expression using multiple laws. So again, simplify the expression. First of all, what we can do here is simplify the expression in a denominator, that is 10 to the power of -1. How can you write that? 5 times 2 to the power of -1. We can write 5 to the power -1 times 2 to the power -1, correct? Now, just second step, write the denominator and numerator only. 2 cube times 5 to the power -2. In the down, instead of 10 to the power -1, we can write 5 to the power -1 times 2 to the power of -1. Okay. Now, separate the terms and apply the quotient of the power rule. For example, what we can do here is, for the base 2, we can write 2 cube divide with 2 to the power -1. We can write 2 to the power 3 minus of 1. You have to be careful here, okay? So it will be simply 2 to the power 3 plus 1, that is 2 to the power 4. Second thing, for the base 5, 5 to the power -2 divide with 5 to the power -1. Again, be careful with the minus sign, okay? 5 to the power -2 minus of -1. It is going to be 5 to the power -2 plus 1, that is 5 to the power -1. Okay. So the expression becomes like this. The third step, it will be 2 to the power 4 times 5 to the power -1. Now apply the power of a power rule, okay, because raise everything to the power of -2. Okay, -2. We can separate them now. So 2 to the power 4 to the power -2 times 5 to the power -1 to the power of -2. It's going to be 2 to the power of -8 times 5 to the power -1 times -2 is going to be 2. Okay. Next, now we can't write in the negative exponent, so we have to make it positive. So negative exponent will come down. So 5 square divided with 2 to the power of 8. 5 square we can write as a 25 divided with 2 to the power 8, we can write as a 256. You can leave the answer this way is also okay, And if you simplify it, write like this. So this is your final answer. So guys, this is your challenge question. Great job working through these questions with me. Today we practice medium level exponent problems on strengthen our understanding to these concepts. In the next video, we will take in a step further by exploring higher level application of exponent like exponential growth and decay, and we will tackle some challenging questions on these topics. Okay, so keep practicing, stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye.